From the home page, you'll be able to see the following tiles: Vehicle Setup, Electronic Work Diary or EWD, Compliance, Statistics, Checklist, and Change Password. To set up your vehicle for the day, you'll first need to go to the Vehicle Setup page and enter your vehicle registration. If you are in the same vehicle as you were in previously, this field will already be filled. You can press Submit and move on to the EWD. From the EWD page, we have a few key pieces of information. By expanding the drop-down at the top, we are able to see driver details including name, license, time zone, base location, record keeper, and your BFM accreditation. Home base time will show you the current time at your registered base location. Beneath this, you can see end of hours, which is the total amount of work hours left before a long rest is required, and time in rest, which is the amount of time you've spent in the rest state since your last work event. In the center of the page, we have odometer, which will tell you your last odometer reading, and a graph button to show you your EWD in a familiar written work diary format. Drivers can choose between different fatigue management types with the drop-down here. They'll have the option to choose between standard, BFM, AFM, or exemption. BFM options and AFM options will only appear if the driver has previously entered their BFM or AFM accreditation number. Across from this, we can also see the option to drive as solo or a two-up driver. When driving as a two-up driver, you are required to enter the second driver's details into your EWD. The Setup Vehicle button will take you back to the Setup Vehicle page if you haven't done so already, and the Edit Events button allows you to change events which you have previously created. Beneath this, we have the Start Work button, which is also the Start Rest button while you're in the work state, and the End of Day button.